Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a little bit since I have made a video, but this one is a special one because this is a brand of shoes that I had never heard of before, and they are called Empress, and they are a brand from Australia. This particular shoe that I have is a really cute square-toed flat. So we're going to talk about that today. I'm going to show you some me putting the shoe on and also just walking in the shoe. And just so you know, when I'm showing those two clips, I'm actually in a hotel in Dallas. So the carpet you see will be kind of like that funky hotel carpet. Just keep that in mind. That's where I was. I was at a hotel. But I really wanted to share these with you because these shoes are really comfortable. If you have problems finding shoes that are comfortable, that have enough cushion and padding for you, these might be a really good option for you. Now, they also have, I think they have other types of shoes. This just happens to be the square toe. Now, if you've been seeing anything with fashion lately, square toe is coming back in. I remember having a pair of square-toed, like lace-up shoes when I was like 16 or 17 years old back in the early 90s, and it reminds me of these shoes. Let me show you the shoe. I will also show you a little bit of unboxing in a clip, I think, but I'm just going to show you how it comes here. First of all, it's a really nice box. So if you like to keep your boxes, this is a nice sturdy box. I really liked, when I opened it, I was just kind of pleasantly surprised. Let me open it here. Because in the top they have, now I took like the little foam inserts out of the shoes, so just so you know I did that, but they have like a little flower in there. How cute is that? It's like a little purple rose to go with their packaging. They do come individually wrapped, which is nice, and this is what it looks like. So it's almost like a little bit of a maybe like a Mary Jane type of shoe, because you do have this little strap right here. And as I said, it does have a really cushioned insole. I'll show you that a little bit more in a minute. But I like the fact that with this brand, the founder started the brand because couldn't find comfortable shoes for their mom, and they started this brand. So I like a good backstory, but this, you know, all the inside is very well done. This is like a softer material. This does come in 4 colors, I believe. The black, a red, and then a caramel color, which is a really nice nude, like it's darker than my skin tone, but it's a very nice nude color. And then blue, would not like a bright blue, but like a blue that would go with denim and stuff like that. So it was actually really hard for me to choose the black, but I thought, well, this I can just slip on with anything and it'll go with everything. So here are the shoes side by side. Like I said, they are leather. It's a very nice soft leather, which I really like. The soles are rubber, so rubberized soles, and you know, you have a little bit of traction right there, so that's really nice. There's a tad bit of a heel. That's a good thing. I mean, it's like, I don't know, half an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch, but that keeps you from being flat on the floor, which isn't a good thing. It's not good for your back. It's not good for your arches. So that is a really good thing that they do have that little bit of a lift there for you. And then the little strap on the top, it, you know, if you need it really tight, then you can just tighten it like that or just pull it out. So that's the way you tighten and loosen. Another thing that I really do like is the fact that you can remove the insole. If you need a little more arch support maybe, now this does have arch support. If you don't have a very high arch, this is gonna be fine for you. I have a super high arch, as in my podiatrist said that I can't really go and get an insert like over the counter because nothing is gonna help with my arch. So I need to get, I just haven't invested in it, but I need to get the inserts that you actually have made for you. I'm used to to shoes not having enough arch support for me. For the normal person, this is gonna be fine. Unfortunately, I'm not that normal person, but I mean, there is some padding there. You can see that padding there, and you can see that the heel has that kind of cupped, something there, a little bit of that cup shape, so your heel sits nicely right down in that right there. It's definitely cushy. That's like a memory foam. I think it feels like a memory foam. But if you want to add something, then you just remove this and put in your own orthotic or whatever you want to put in. Now I got it's European sizing. I got European sizing 37, which is like a 6.5, I believe. You'll have to look on the site. I knew that I might possibly want to put my own insert in. I'm gonna take the time to find the perfect insert because this is gonna be my probably everyday work shoe. I usually wear just black shoes to work just because it's easy. I don't have to think about it. This is going to end up being my work shoe once I start back for the semester. I'm in summer break right now, and once I go back to campus, then this is going to be it. If you like bendy shoes, these are definitely for you because they have a lot of give, so very comfortable. I did not find that this was tight on my foot because, you know, you can loosen and tighten it if you need to, but it held firm, and even though it is stretchy. I like Empress because they're more of a direct to consumer brand, so you aren't paying the high price that you might pay with other name brands that have a name brand logo. So whereas you might pay $250 for this, you're not going to pay that. You're going to pay less than half of that. I think you're getting a really good deal for a leather shoe that has cushion, that has support. I do really think it's a good deal and a good investment. You know, if you think of a shoe being around $100 being an investment for you, then definitely it's probably a good investment. Thank you so much to Empress for reaching out and sending me these shoes, and I've had them for a while and they've been really patient with me, so I really appreciate that. Like I said, I am gonna show you some footage of me putting them on, walking around in them, so you can see kind of what they look like on the foot. But if you have any questions, be sure and let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and thank you again for watching. I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye. The owners of Empress are brothers, and they had searched all over and found really 3 types of shoes: comfortable and stylish but expensive, comfortable and affordable but ugly, and stylish and affordable but painful. And I totally agree with that. It's really hard to find comfortable shoes that are cute, so that's what they set out to make, and I really do think that they did. They have a really good return policy. You can return their shoes unworn up to 365 days. So you have a year to return them if you haven't worn them. But you can even wear them and try them and return them within 30 days. And so that's a great money back guarantee, in my opinion, because sometimes, you know, especially when you have feet that really give you problems, it's hard to find shoes that are good for you. And as we talked about, these are leather, but they're sustainable leather, and it's actually a byproduct from the food industry, so it would otherwise really just be thrown away. A great shoe. I hope you'll try it out. Definitely see the links below. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.